But first, I want to introduce you to what we should always have when we're starting off any kind of community thing, which is always do it with music, right? Music. So we have on percussion, all the way in the back with the booms and the slaps. I'd like you to welcome this gentleman who I've worked with several times. He has a degree in hand drumming from Berklee College of Music. He studied in Cuba and Ghana and all places around the world. He's done stuff with Emma's Revolution, Jim Scott, Nick Page, and the Hallelujah Singers. Would you please give a rousing round of applause for Mr. Matt Meyer on percussion? And the songmeister tonight who will be leading us in this lyrical excursion. He's a conductor, he's a composer, he's a singer, he's an educator. He can't make up his mind, I guess that's what we're trying to say. But he's also a multi-instrumentalist. He has many roles, including he's the director of music at the Arlington Street Church in Boston. He's music director at the Sanctuary in Boston, which they've invited me down to. You should check it out on Wednesday nights. And he's lecturer and affiliated artist of music in theory at MIT. Will you please welcome to our place here, Mr. Mark David Buckles.
Well, we're going to start with some song by that most beloved of Unitarian Universalists, Muslim immigrants, Rumi. How many of you know the song, Come, Come, Whoever You Are? I see some hands, all right. So, why don't we rise in body and spirit? I think we need to get the blood and the bones moving. If you know it, join in right away. If not, you'll pick it up pretty soon. It goes like this. Come, come, whoever you are, wanderer, worshiper, lover of leaving. Ours is no caravan of despair. Come yet again, come. Let's try that again. Come, come, whoever you are,